In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a signature from the Microsoft Outlook app on your Windows desktop. This guide will walk you through a fast and efficient process to ensure your email signatures are exactly the way you want them to be. First, let's open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Ensure you've launched the application and that it's fully loaded on your screen. Once you have Outlook open, you're going to look towards the top left corner and click on the File tab. This is where all the fundamental options for configuring your Outlook settings reside. Next, from the options available, scroll down to find where it says Options and click on this. You'll notice that the Outlook Options window pops up. Within this window, you'll want to focus your attention on the left panel. Here, you'll see a variety of categories to choose from, but for our purpose today, find and click on Mail. This is where you can manage all the settings related to composing, sending, and receiving your emails. With the Mail options now open before you, navigate to the section that says Compose Messages. Here, you'll find a button labeled Signatures. Go ahead and click on this. This action will open up the Signatures and Stationery window. It's in this window where all your email signatures are stored, allowing you to create, edit, or delete as you like. Now let's focus on deleting a signature. In the box labeled Select Signature to Edit, you'll see a list of all the signatures you currently have configured. Click on the name of the signature that you wish to remove. This action highlights your selected signature, indicating it is ready for modification. Once you've selected the signature you want to delete, direct your attention to the Delete button at the bottom. Click on it to remove the signature from your list. A confirmation prompt might appear at this moment asking if you're sure you want to delete the signature. Simply click Yes to confirm your decision. To wrap things up, after successfully deleting the signature, you'll want to click OK to close the Signatures and Stationery window. Finally, click OK again in the Outlook Options window to ensure all your settings are saved and applied correctly. And that's it. Your old signature has now been completely deleted from Microsoft Outlook. If you're going to be using new signatures or just cleaning things up, you've now got the know-how to manage them efficiently. As a final tip, always double-check which signature you're removing to avoid any accidental deletions of still needed documents or updates. Stay organized and enjoy a clutter-free Outlook signature setup.